If you are the kind of person who celebrates Valentine Day, it's usually a good idea to come up with something more creative than mall jewelry and dinner at Olive Garden. Sadly, it's not always easy to figure out what that something more creative should be. This year, however, McLaren had the perfect gift idea: a Valentine Day themed 570S Spider. For obvious reasons, this McLaren 570S Spider was painted Vermillion Red. The interior, meanwhile, is black with red accents, perhaps a reminder that even true love eventually succumbs to death. But McLaren didn't stop there. To make this car a truly special gift, McLaren Special Operations added carbon fiber bodywork, a carbon fiber tonneau cover, and a few MSO-specific interior touches. Pricing for this particular configuration was and included, but you can safely assume it costs quite a bit more than the $200,000 plus it takes to buy a regular 570S Spider. Sure, only a tiny number of people will ever be able to afford to spend more than $200,000 on a car. And yes, there are areas of the country where $200,000 will buy a very nice house. But on the other hand, can a house accelerate from 0-124 mph in 9.6 seconds? Does a house have a retractable roof? Even if a house did have a retractable roof, could it hit 196 mph with its top down? Because the McLaren 570S Spider sure can. Even better, imagine the look on your significant other's face when they realize the small box you gave them contains a car key instead of a necklace. Not just any car key, either. The key to a bright red convertible supercar. Surely true love is worth 30 years of car payments, right?